All right, built in 2012, this is one of Santa Clara's most desirable communities, newest communities. Come take a look at this 270-degree panoramic views up here, end unit, which is more rare. Let's take a look. 3 en-suites, 2 dual en-suites upstairs, ground level en-suite with a junior patio. Gotta take a look. Smartly updated throughout, you have comfort and versatility with multiple en-suites and a little office enclave right over here for those larger families and for those looking for private office space. And believe it or not, I was not just now taking a shower, but check out these dual sink vanities, updated light fixtures, separate room for a toilet, and walk-in closet. And these days, anyone could come in or out of a custom built-in shelving, walk-in, walk-out closet. And here we're benefiting from cheap Santa Clara utilities with way too many upgrades to catalog, including new carpet, new interior paint, pre-wired surround sound speakers, and both a reverse osmosis water system and water softener, tri-zone central heat and air, plantation shutters, smart receptacles. This home really has been put through a comprehensive 18-point maintenance regimen, allowing it to be identified as certified pre-owned with a seller-bought home warranty.